Guys, I wanted to show you this memory foam wheelchair cushion that I received from the company. My dad is actually in a wheelchair, so I love getting these products and bringing them to him just so that he feels more comfortable. So this one I really like because, you know, I've had a couple of them. This one is super thick. Like you could see, this is really thick. Let me just get my tape measure so you can actually see how thick it is. So, I mean, that's like 3 inches. That's a lot. Like that's a good amount of foam. So it is a memory foam. The cover comes off and you can wash it. And then it does have, this is another thing that I look for. It does have these like grippers on the bottom, almost like, you know, what a grip sock would be. So this isn't going to slide around wherever you put it. I do like that you could take this off and wash it. It feels just like very like soft to the touch, smooth. There's no real texture to it. It just feels almost like a silk would feel, but you know, more durable material. So it's just very smooth feeling and it feels really nice. And the cushion, I mean, it is thick. So you can, you know, be pretty like a big guy and sit on this and still get a ton of comfort. I think that, you know, enhancing like a wheelchair or wherever you're sitting is really important for comfort and just that you're able to stay and be comfortable sitting out of bed and doing your daily activities. So highly recommend this if you need something like it.